Hey guys, it's Reina, and today I wanted to show you the part 2 of the look that I came up with using the Patrick Starrr collection. Today I used the pinky gloss instead of the coral one. If you want to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Our eyeshadow palette, and first I'm going to start with my good old 24-hour eyeshadow base. As usual, I apply the Tarte Shape Tape on the brow bone to shape up my brows. So with that being applied, I'm going to move on to applying the eyeshadows, but first, just like from the other video, I'm gonna apply a brulee on the brow bone to set the sharp shape tape because it looks a tiny bit too wet, and I'm just gonna set that. I'm just using the same brush, Morphe M330, and I'm not applying this all over the eyes, just on the area that has the concealer. So I'm going to do a halo eyes with this today. So picking this color up first and applying it all over on the eye. And this time I'm gonna bring in this sandy crotch color a little bit more into the inner corners because we'll be creating the halo eye with it. So next, after I apply the sandy crotch all over the eyelid, I'm going to take the darkest, actually not the darkest color. So I'm going to take the Gimme Life bronzer as a transition, a mid-tone transition, instead of using Saddle as a transition color. Switching the brush to a smaller, almost like a 217 dupe. So I'm applying this on the eye hole, warming up the crease. Whiskering the skin, and then I'm taking the deepest color on here in this palette, this color right here. I'm gonna apply this on the crease and then into the inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to kind of connect the two together, so almost making a smoky eyes with this. Once I apply that, I'm blending. After like 5 minutes of blending, I'm done with blending, and now I'm going to cut crease just the center of the eyes. I usually use this Select Cover Up, but this is like discontinued. They don't make this anymore, sadly. I'm so upset that they're not making this anymore, but I usually use this to like cut crease my eyelids or whatever. But because I have the P. Louise one, I'm gonna use this as opposed to the Select Cover Up since it's discontinued. So make a halo effect. Okay, so before this dries, I'm going to use the Mikasa Beauty, the pencil brush, with the darkest color in the palette from the Patrick Starrr collection, and I am kind of coloring the both sides of the concealer or the rumor base, and I'm almost doing like this push and pull motion. So push and pull. And I do have some product, the deepest color on the brush. I will apply this copper color, which whenever the AC turns on, it's really too loud, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do a voiceover. So I'm applying that coppery color on the lid, and now I'm moving on to the bottom lash line. Using the Mikasa Beauty E330 bullet brush, I apply the sandy crotch first to have a nice base, and then I'm applying the Ready color, which is a reddish shimmery shade. And then I wanted to kind of tight line and make it look a little deeper with the darkest color in the palette. After buffing everything out, I decided to apply an eyeliner today, the Image Conscious MAC Technical Liner and Stila Periwinkle Liner on the waterline, the bottom waterline. Just by applying that, it really made the contrast to the eyeshadow and the eyeliner, and I love how it came out. I feel like only thing that's missing from this look right now is to apply the inner corner highlight. Just because it's a halo, I kind of want that little pop. For today, I'm gonna use the Juvia's palette, Festival palette. palette. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. This highlight shade right here, I'm gonna apply this on. I haven't bronzed my face or anything, so like the previous video, I'm going to use Gimme Life bronzer. And I got tons of compliments yesterday too at work. Just gonna apply this. Need to go to work very, very soon. Okay, so the bronzer is on. Today I want a little bit of coral on the cheeks. So I'm going to apply the Estee Edit Berries blush is what I'm going to apply. It's like a coral shade. And for the highlighter, I'm going to just go ahead and apply the Whisper of Guilt highlighter on my cheekbones. And when I filmed yesterday, I didn't apply the pinky one, so for today I'm gonna apply the pinky gloss instead of the coral gloss. I think for this too, I'm going to apply the Cork Lip Liner and then apply something that's like a pinky lipstick and apply this on top. I'm applying the Cork Lip Liner first. Okay, so I have Lady Be Good liquid lipstick, so I'm gonna apply this because I need something like pinky. Okay, so it does look kind of coral, and then I'm going to apply this pink lip gloss on. Yeah, I love this pink shade too. This is really, really pretty. I'm gonna use the Matte Fix Plus to just set my face real quick. Alright, so this is the look for today. I hope you like this halo eyes with neutral lips. I'm using his pink lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.